Five little monkeys baking a cake. One spilled flour, oh no, mistake. Mama said with a little shake, no more monkeys baking a cake. Four little monkeys mixing the dough. One got messy from head to toe. Mama came with a mop and broom. No more monkeys in this room. Three little monkeys cracking eggs. One got yolk all on his legs. Mama said with a big loud E, no more monkeys in here this week. Two little monkeys licking a spoon. One got sticky that afternoon. Mama came with a little frown. No more monkeys jumping around. One little monkey frosting the cake. Slipped on sugar, big mistake. Mama said with hands on hips, no more monkeys making cake trips.